Hey guys, welcome back to the Ride Right Waxing and UK One Wheel channel. Now we have a lovely set of Blizzard VIVA skis in. These are in superb condition. These are lovely set of skis. These are just in for a quick freshen up. We're going to put a nice set of wax down. Just going to make sure these edges are nice and sharp. I can feel a bit of bearing on them. So we're just going to make sure that angle is sharp and they are ready to fly. These are off to Whistler, so dead jealous that these are going over there. That's one place I would love to go. I must tick it off my bucket list. You never know, one day I'll bring a video from Whistler. That'd be quite cool, wouldn't it? But anyway, I'm going to crack on with these skis. I'm going to give these a full edge, a full polish, a full wax, and yeah. So let's take a quick look at the ski. So 7.6, 149 in length, performance carbon in these skis. These are the VIVA. Got a lovely kind of matching binding there with the word VIVA on there. And I will say that the skis that do all these matching bindings, they fit, they just look so classy, and the colour arrangements goes, the writing's on there. Yeah, just a really nice ski. Quite a deep inlay just here. You've got a nice high ridge and that quite wide and thick side cut, so you can really carve these over on a really good turn. Got a nice little lip to the tail of the ski. Let me just pop that down there. So yeah, we've got a nice little kick up there. Nothing too insane, but yeah, base of the ski is not too bad at all whatsoever. A little bit dry in some places, but yeah, ultimately very smooth. Got a little bit of a gouge there, but we'll have a look at that. And we'll get these edges looking ship shape. Let's have a quick look on this ski on the bottom. And again, nothing too bad. Got a couple of nasty gouges just here. Got almost something that I can pick out of that, so we'll get that sorted out. A gouge there. Doesn't really ever look anything on camera, but we'll get those filled in and base scraped and get that tidied up. But yeah, all in all, looking good. Edges don't look too rusty as well, which is nice. So we're going to get these sharpened. I'm going to pop them in the stand. Let's crack on. Okay guys, so we have finished these Blizzard VIVA skis. They have come up lovely, as you can just tell there by the coat. They are looking super shiny. They are looking super fresh, both tip to tail, and we've got those edges really sharp. We've got those PTEX in those grooves, so these spaces now are super smooth, and they're going to be super fast and super sharp to hit the Whistler mountains. And yeah, dead jealous they're going over there. I must admit, we've got all the family set behind me, so we've got 3 videos coming on all their skis. And if you want to obviously take a look at the before and afters, then why not check those videos out. But guys, please go ahead, share my videos on Instagram, Facebook, share them with friends, family, the BBC, I don't mind. But hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Until next time guys, to the next set of skis, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.